Hey guys, in this video, we gonna show what we have in a set of door closer. First, there will be an English installation manual, and then a separator card for anti-collision. A screw pack. Next, the main body packed with PE bag, and also the important part of the asset. At last is the arm that packed with PE bag. Now, let's just have a close glance at the main body. If you have interested in more information, please comment more below. Bye guys.